Hello and welcome to another interactive science workshop. Today we're going to be doing a hanging arch, and this type of hanging arch was used by ancient engineers to build over the top of roads and things like that. So today we're going to need either a printed copy on thin cardboard of the template, which you can find linked in the description. We need some tape, some scissors, and if you're going to be drawing, you can also draw this template. You'll need a protractor, a pen or pencil, and a ruler. All right, let's get started. Now, if you've downloaded the template and printed it on some thin cardboard, that's great. If you would like to rule one up using your gear, I'll put the image with all the measurements on the screen now to help you sort that out. But one thing when you're ruling it up, to use the protractor, these angles here are you're gonna have to measure them using the protractor. So one of the angles, this one on this side, you line up your protractor and it will be 77.1. You put a little mark, and on the other side it will be 102.9. So you line that up, 102.9, and that's the angle of these lines here. All right, once you've ruled everything up, it's time to cut it out. Okay, with that all cut out, we'll need to now fold up the sides. All right, now we'll fold the top section up first, like this. And then we'll do the other two sides. Now you can see it might have a little gap around here, like that, which will make it difficult to sit properly. So if we can fix that with a few pieces of tape. You just tape over the side. Right, and there we have it. Now repeat it another 6 times for a total of 7 blocks. All right, so when you've constructed all 7 of your blocks, it's time to put it together, and you may need a bit of help. I've got 2 books here to support the sides. You'll want to see if you can figure out how to construct it. All stones need to be, all blocks need to be in place for it to work. So I like to grab it like this, and then place it together like that, and it should balance. And there we go. So you guys have a go. Now, how does this work? Well, the middle block here is called the keystone, and that pushes down, and the angle of these blocks push down and out, and it distributes the weight evenly throughout the structure. So all the weight is going evenly through the blocks and then down to the ground and out. So that's why we need these here. And that's how the ancient engineers used to build gaps over roadways. There we go. Okay, next time we'll be doing lava lamps with Amy. And the materials you'll need is a glass jar or plastic cups, water, oil, food colouring, citric acid, bicarb soda, and you might need a spoon and a tray for mixing. We'll see you then.